Just mix rice and salt in this simple way, and you'll be surprised with the result. Hi, my name is Lukman and you are welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a simple remedy, a law of attraction, a law of universe, where we are going to be mixing just rice. I mean the rice we eat with salt. And the salt I'm talking about here is the sea salt, the Himalayan salt, or your normal cooking salt. And if you do it this way, you are going to be surprised with the results. First, what are the ingredients we are going to use? One, you will need your rice. You will need your rice. You can see my rice. That's the rice. You are going to be needing rice, just few rice. And you are going to be needing salt. Like I said, if you cannot get sea salt, Himalayan salt, you can use ordinary cooking salt. And you are going to be needing a plain paper, a plain white paper. Then you are going to be needing just your pen to write with, and that is it. So how do we go about it? First, you have to write on the paper, you have to write your name, the name you are known with. You have to write the name you are known with. If your name is Smart Lukman, you can put Smart Lukman. Your name or the name that you are known with, you can write the full name, you can just write your nickname, but it is the name that you are known with. For instance, I'll write my name. That's my name. I've written my name. Then followed by the amount you want to manifest. The amount you want to manifest. Because this is, I told you, this is the law of attraction. It's the law of manifestation. You are manifesting, you are going to be manifesting money through the power of nature. So next thing is, I'm going to be writing the amount of money. I've written the amount. I wrote $10,000. You can write $2,000. You can write 10,000 naira. You can write 100,000 naira. You can write in your local denomination or local currency. But I'm choosing to write $10,000. Then followed by your address. After your name, the amount you want to manifest, then your address, your present location, where you live, where you are living presently. Then I will have to write my address. So you write your address, that is where you live presently, your present location, where you live presently. After then, you just take your wallet. And this case, the wallet you are going to be using is the wallet that maybe you can get a new wallet if possible. It doesn't matter. You can get a very cheap wallet. It doesn't matter. Just get a small wallet. It's not the one that you'll be moving about. So get a new wallet or get an old wallet. As the case may be, you might call it purse, you might call it wallet. Just get it. Then you put, this is your intention. This is your intention. Is a letter to the universe. You just take it and put it inside. Once you put it inside, your job is half done. So the next thing you are going to be doing is to take the rice. Just pour some of the rice inside the wallet. Just pour it inside the wallet. Just pour few inside the wallet. Then you take your salt. Then the salt. Then you just put few inside the wallet. Now, after doing that, you now take the wallet. You go and keep the wallet inside a safe place in that particular location. You know, you've written a particular address on the letter. It's like a letter. You are sending a letter to the universe, to the Almighty, that this is what I want. This is what I want to attract. This is my intention. Now, you are going to be putting that wallet. You keep it safe. Where no one else can see it. It's for you and you alone. You keep it in a safe compartment. If you have a wardrobe, put it in your wardrobe. Just keep it where others will not go and touch it. You leave it there. Now, This is the warning. This is the warning. The warnings, there are a few warnings there that you must observe. The first thing is that when you want to do this, because you are manifesting, you have to be in utmost tranquility. That is, you must be at peace with yourself, your environment, your surrounding. You must be at peace with your environment. That means there is no disturbance. If possible, you can put your phone into silent position. Nobody is disturbing you with phone calls, and no distraction from any quarter. You are concentrating totally towards the Almighty, because it's a letter you are writing. You are writing that letter to the Almighty. So when you are doing that, you have to be in almost tranquility, no disturbance of any sort. Then you have to be at peace with yourself. What I mean by being at peace with yourself is that you must do this when you are positively minded. You don't have anything on your heart that is disturbing you. You can breathe in and out. Make sure you are confident, you are comfortable, you are at peace, positive. You don't have any negative thoughts. You have a positive thought. And once you do this, make sure that you are also in the expectant mode. Don't doubt, no doubting. Your own is to do it. It is now, you now leave everything to the Almighty, to the universe, for the universe to answer your query. It's a request that you have sent to the Almighty. What you are doing it, you are sending your request to the Almighty. It is left to the Almighty. It is left for the universe to do it. It is not your own problem. Your own problem there is doing it. Once you do it, you don't have to doubt. It's going to be answered. Your request is going to be answered. So you don't need to doubt. So that is the warning. You don't doubt. You are in total tranquility. The environment, you are at peace with the environment. You are in the positive mode. You don't doubt. Don't doubt. If you know you are doubting, then don't do it. Don't doubt. If you know you are doubting, then don't do this. It won't work for you. You must not doubt anything. This is what you should do. Everybody, almost everyone do it. It's something that you can do. It's not something, and again, it's not something you do now and you start checking your pulse. No, just do it and leave the pulse somewhere. The pulse will be there until you achieve your aim, until you achieve your intention, until that your request is answered. Just leave the pulse and everything. Just leave it where it is. You see, money will start coming from different quarters because you have sent your request to the Almighty. The Almighty will now have a way of answering you, now acceding to your request. People will start favoring you. You start seeing money. I've written $10,000. You can write any amount that you desire. You can write any amount that you desire. But one other thing is that this works for almost everybody, except you don't do it right. It works for everybody, except you don't do it right. By the way, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Subscription is free. You are paying nobody to subscribe. And for those who are subscribed, thanks for your love. Just hit on the like button, comments, then share this video to others who might like, who this video might interest and who might gain a lot of value from our video. Just share it. Don't be selfish. This video is given to you free, so be ready to share it with others. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.